All right, good morning everyone. This is the solution to problem number 1 on the FRQs from Monday night's homework. It's the one simple random sample of 100 high school students was selected from a large school district, and here's information. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. Notice the first time I separated males from females, and then I had no part-time job, summer only, and then not summer only for both males and females. Notice, nice little grid, everything's telling me what's what, color-coded, title, all that kind of stuff. Also really important, you have percents here on this, so you both have 100%, so the bars are equal. Here's another way to do it, I think. Instead of separating males from females, I separated the jobs. So no part-time job, summer only, not summer only. And then males in red, females in blue. You can see the connection. There was one other way I noticed people did this. They did just like this, but then they had one bar. They had males and females together on this, I think. So there are other ways to do it. Just be careful about counts. Right, so if you're using counts, the bars won't always be the same height. So you need the bars to be the same height. If you're grading this, if you looked at my E, P, and I stuff from yesterday, this picture would be graded as one part. Second part of this problem says write a few sentences summarizing what it reveals. I just said it's pretty obvious by the display that there's a likely association between gender and job status. It appears the percentage of males who have part-time jobs of any type is greater than the percentage of females. You can see it here with the no jobs, female blue is bigger, and then the jobs, yes, the blues are smaller. So you can kind of see, it appears that this would be an E, P, and I also, second part, if you're grading. And then the last part of that question was what test, if you're going to run a test, what test would it be, and then list the hypothesis. It would be a chi-square test of independence. I put up here why I noticed some people were doing chi-square tests of homogeneity, and remember those tests are very, very similar, so it is hard to tell the difference. The main reason why here, two reasons. The main reason is the way they took this sample. If you go back to the original problem, it was a sample of 100 high school students and then broken down by job and gender. So remember, one population, two traits is always independence. If they had taken just the males separately and then the females separately, then it would be homogeneity. Now, the other way is they're just specifically asking, the whole question was, what's the association between the two, which is implying independence, right? If they had said, are the percent of students who have part-time jobs, full-time jobs, blah, 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 different for males and females, that's homogeneity. So anyway, chi-square test of independence. The null hypothesis is there is no relationship between gender and job experience. You could also write that as gender and job experience are independent. And the alternate is there's a relationship between gender and job experience, or you could write gender and job experience are not independent. This is an EPI also. So 3 parts to this problem. If you go back and look at my video to kind of help you with it, but it's 3 parts. I'll do the next problem in just a second.